Well, I got a new update, fellas. New update. Well, we just got a call from this guy, from one of our clients. This is actually what they call it is clips, plate buckets. So this is gonna be a church. So I don't know what kind of church it's gonna be. So all the design is, so we gotta add one bucket plate on each embeds. So their total are gonna be, I think about 35, 36 bucket plates. So it's gonna get one bucket plate on every one embed, right on the high levels. As you guys see, 8 embeds. Everyone we gotta put the right elevation and then the right measurement and then weld it. 4 sides all the way around. So easy money today, fellas. Easy money this week. God bless you, fellas. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless America and Mexico, fellas.